contemplating what I was going to do because I have this entire bag of potatoes. I bought this entire bag of potatoes like maybe 3 weeks ago, you know, thinking I'm going to use them because I have ideas in mind. Never use them. I also decided I need a video made. I know that you guys enjoy watching these realistic what I eat in a days as a vegetarian, so I am going to do that, and the star of the show is going to be focused on potatoes. We are using organic gold potatoes from Trader Joe's, the 3-pound bag, and we're going to see how many of them we can use. And what we don't use, sadly, it's going to have to fall victim to the trash. We're going to start with breakfast. So for breakfast today, we are going to be making a breakfast bowl. Let's start there. Okay, I am back. It is lunchtime now. It's like 3 o'clock, I think, 3:24. I am gonna be making crispy potato tacos for lunch, something that's super easy, super quick. The majority of this just comes from literally watching the potatoes like crisp up in the oven for 35 minutes. For this recipe, we are basically going to just dice up the potatoes, and then after we dice up the potatoes, we're gonna put them in the oven and then put on all the ingredients, and it's super simple, gonna come together really easy. So let's get into it. I almost played myself and didn't start recording like I did last time, but here is lunch. These are my spicy potato tacos. I didn't have I forgot to pick up taco size tortillas, so I just had to rip a normal flour tortilla in half, but look at that. But I'm gonna go eat lunch and then I will come back and we'll make dinner. Moving into our dinner meal of the night, I decided that I'm going to make me a nice little comfort meal to end the day. For this comfort meal, I'm just going to be making mashed potatoes, broccoli, and using a spicy chicken patty. This recipe is super simple. It just kind of involves a lot of time management, but you're basically going to dice up your potatoes and so they can boil, and then we're going to start by making what is going to make the potatoes creamy, which is a little butter, garlic, and then we're going to add some heavy whipping cream in, and then just let that kind of simmer on a low heat. Also, I added some onion powder. These are the ultimate spicy chicken fillet patties that I got. You can get these at like Walmart, Kroger, anywhere. And while we're doing that, we're going to bake those in the oven, and we are going to start by putting our broccoli on. This is super simple. After you mix it up a little bit, you're just going to sit there and throw in a little bit of water and let it steam for maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. I like my broccoli to be kind of cooked down a little bit, so that's what I did. And after I do that, the rest of it just kind of comes together. You're going to drain your mashed potatoes and then add in the creamy mixture that we made earlier and mix it all together, and then you're going to plate the meal. That is all though for this video, so thank you guys so much for joining me in another realistic what I eat in a day as a vegetarian. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you try out any of these meals. I think my favorite meal out of all these were definitely those spicy potato tacos. We'll be making those again. Super good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on this post notification so you get notified when I post. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. But see you guys next time. Good night.